All new tonight, cannabis classes for doctors. As the state expands its medical marijuana rules, our Ben Gutierrez says healthcare professionals are required to keep up. Ben.
The health department says the medical cannabis courses are being offered for free to a limited number of healthcare providers. They come after the governor signed a new law giving more leeway for physicians to decide which patients could benefit from the drug. 25 years after Hawaii legalized medical marijuana, the state says 30,000 patients are currently registered to buy the drug from one of 24 regulated dispensaries statewide.
Cannabis is medicine, and the FDA recognizes that.
The doctor in charge of the program, epidemiologist Linvee Lay, says providers need to know how cannabis could interact with other drugs, along with the risks, benefits, and possible adverse reactions.
At some point, all healthcare providers in Hawaii will be seeing patients who are using medical cannabis, or if not, they're not using medical cannabis or registered with us, they might be self-medicating.
Many people are self-medicating. A recent health department survey found more than 13% of Hawaii's population used cannabis in the last 30 days. That's more than 6 times the number of registered medical marijuana users.
They're getting illicit, illegal black market marijuana, which is a lot cheaper than medical marijuana, and it has a higher potency concentration.
The head of the Hawaii High Intensity Drug Trafficking Area Program points out that federal law considers any marijuana product as a controlled substance.
So not only is medical marijuana or illegal marijuana, any marijuana is not only addictive, but there's some health hazards to be warned about.
The DOH says the top 3 reasons for seeking marijuana therapy are pain, post-traumatic stress disorder, and severe nausea.
You could find a lot of studies, and you'd find it also in clients that you work with that have depression or anxiety disorders, that they tend to do a lot better with medical cannabis use.
The new law signed by the governor last month allows medical professionals, including certain nurses, to recommend marijuana for any condition where the benefit would likely outweigh the health risks.
Cannabis can really affect the body differently, and we want our healthcare professionals to understand what those effects are.
The health department says the medical cannabis classes are free to the first 200 registrants. You can find a link for more information on our website. Ben Gutierrez, Hawaii News Now.
All right, thank you, Ben.